Hi guys, Love here and welcome back to techbeatph.com, your go-to channel for everything tech. I'm Fluffy and we're going to do a really exciting unboxing of the new HONOR X8c. This phone promises to deliver blazing fast performance, elegant design, and other top-notch features. So let's dive in and see what it's got.
Opening up the box, we can see the phone, the clear case, a 35-watt R charger, and a USB-A to USB-C type cable. First up, let's talk design. The HONOR X8c comes with three stunning colors: Mars Green, Moonlight White, and Midnight Black. Its elegant and durable design is perfect for any style. Plus, with SGS Premium Performance Certification for drop and crush resistant, you'll know it's built to last. This phone is not just about looks. It's made to withstand everyday wear and tear, making it a reliable companion for all your adventures. The HONOR X8c features a gorgeous 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're scrolling through social media and watching high-quality videos, the experience is smooth and immersive. And let's not forget the 108-megapixel night camera with OIS and HONOR AI eraser for stunning photos. This display is a treat for your eyes, offering vibrant colors and sharp details, perfect for binge-watching your favorite shows or gaming on the go. Speaking of photos, the camera on this phone is truly impressive. With a 108-megapixel main camera and OIS, you can capture stunning night shots. The HONOR AI eraser is a game changer, allowing you to remove unwanted objects with ease. Check out these sample shots. The detail and clarity are amazing even in low light. And with AI Eraser, it's easy to perfect your photos. Here's a comparison of photos with and without the AI Eraser. The difference is clear. Under the glass, the HONOR X8c packs a punch with 16GB, 8GB plus 8GB RAM, and up to 512GB ROM. Whether you're multitasking or running demanding apps, this phone handles it with ease. And with 5000 mAh batteries and 35-watt HONOR SuperCharge, you can stay powered up all day. From browsing to streaming, everything runs smoothly. Plus, the 4G connectivity ensures you're always connected. But that's not all. The HONOR X8c is also life-grade water resistant, adding an extra layer of durability, and with the vibrant colors like Mars Green, Midnight Black, and Moonlight White, it's not just functional, it's stylish. Whether you're working from home, gaming, or just chilling, the phone fits seamlessly into your life.
The HONOR X8c is a fantastic mid-range phone. It offers stunning design, excellent performance, and top-notch features. If you're looking to upgrade a new phone, this is definitely one worth looking at. Check out the review video coming out soon. And once again, don't forget to like, subscribe, click that bell icon for more tech reviews coming from techbeatph.com. See you next video.